Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection like I have right here, but you cannot use your browser or any network related apps on LENOVO AIO. And to do this, first let's open Microsoft Edge or basically any browser you're using and try to reach any website. As you can see, we have this error. And to fix this, you will need to close your browser, open Start, then Settings, select Time and Language, make sure to set time automatically. If you close the settings, and here let's refresh the desktop and wait a few moments. You can try if you want, it should be working now. So the connection is in private, so we still need to wait a few moments till everything synchronizes. But now it's working, so just wait 2 minutes after changing that setting. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.